All right, so I just wanted to go over this topic or this procedure, I guess I should say, regarding unsold quotes. So if you go into your office shared drive on Google, excuse me, and then you go down to unsold quotes, you're going to click on it. You're going to see 12 months. Now, this is just an example that I did today. Today I had a gentleman come in and he wanted me to quote him for his auto. Our quote came back at like 500. His current carrier, his policy premium is like three something. So we weren't able to beat his current rate with the same exact coverages. So what I did is I said, okay, well, when does your current policy expire? He said it expired in March. I said, perfect. I'm going to give you a call 30 days before your renewal on your current policy to see if you've got an updated premium sent to you and what that looks like, and I can see if I can work on matching that for you. So let's say, for example, they got into an accident or they had a claim or an infraction on their record while the current policy is put in place. When they go to renew that, their premium may increase, or there may be some other reason as to why there is a premium increase. But regardless, we've got all of their information already stocked and stored, ready to go. All we need to do is call them to get permission to make sure everything is the same and that we can run their information again. So his policy premium his policy was set to expire in March. So what I did is I downloaded the PDF of the quote from Guidewire onto my computer. I then went to February because February is a month out from March when his policy is set to expire. So I went to February, I went new, file upload, and I uploaded the PDF of the um, quote that I ran today. Now, just for confidentiality purposes for this video, I changed the quote name to my own name, and I'm not going to click on it to show you the actual client's name. But if you click on it, it's going to pull up the auto quote that I had done for him yesterday, which was August 24th. So as they get closer to renewal, we're just going to, or the beginning of every month, we're going to go in, we're going to call all of our individuals and unsold quotes, see if we have permission for them to run their stuff again, ask if there's any changes to their policy, look at what their new renewal premium is looking like, see if we can go ahead and take care of that for them. All right, that's just the unsold quote process.